How to fix Instagram not sending confirmation code. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you on how you can fix the issue of not receiving the confirmation code on Instagram. Well, first things first, if your Instagram confirmation code isn't sending, first check if phone number is correct in your account settings. Then ensure you have a strong internet connection. If you're trying to log in, then ensure that you are entering in the correct credentials as well. And try resending the code after waiting for a few minutes. Now, if that doesn't work, check if you have accidentally blocked the number sending the code, or try logging in from a different device or network. Now, one of the other reasons it might be that you're not receiving the code is because you have set the number to spam, so the text might be going directly to spam folder, so you want to check your spam folder as well. Now, there are some steps to troubleshoot. Verify the phone number that you have entered, check the network connection, check for any spam or blocked numbers, try and resend the code only after a few minutes, wait and try again. You can also try using a different device. If you haven't updated your app, you want to make sure that your app is updated to the latest version as well. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.